What's up everyone, welcome to this quite special POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max. Because today we're taking a look at one of the rarest AMGs ever. This is the Mercedes AMG C63 S Ocean Blue Edition. And they made this car in celebration of 50 years of AMG in 2017. They made a GTC Roadster Edition 50, C63 and C63S Convertible Ocean Blue Edition, and they also made a C43 Coupe and Convertible Night Edition. So this is the most special one. They made 500 of those Edition 50 GTCs and only 150 of these. And well, I'll take you around the car, show you what's new, what's different, what's specific to this C63, and then we'll take it for a drive around this countryside road stuff. It's gorgeous, it's lovely weather, and I actually dressed in sort of a blue ocean blue edition as well. Totally coincidental, of course. But Mercedes did say that this car was made mainly for people who are interested in design and fashion, so thank you. Alrighty, let's take a walk around the car. Well, it is cashmere white magno, so it's a matte pearl effect white, which looks really good, especially with all those deep ocean blue details, accents, and of course the roof. You can also get it in selenite gray, which is a sort of a silver. Those are the only two colors available. Well, as you have probably seen, we've got a deep ocean blue trim at the front bumper, and there are some parts in the front apron that are in cashmere white as well. Yeah, it is a very special car. It's sort of the elegant maritime experience. That's how I saw it somewhere on a Mercedes site. So we've also got these titanium gray cross spoke wheels, which are also specific to this edition. 19-inch at the front, 20-inch at the rear, with a blue hubcap of the center lock wheels, which are not center locks, but alright, we'll forgive them, they look really cool. As I said, this deep ocean blue roof, which is also exclusively available on this edition, so you can't get it on your regular one. And it has, again, deep ocean blue trim on the rear bumper as well, or on the diffuser, however you want to call it. And you can also get it on a regular C63, as I said. We've got a C63S, of course, so that means 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 510 horsepower and 700 Newton meters. So if you want to know more about the C63S in general, we drove in edition 1, and you can check out that POV review up here, and then you can come back to this one, because this one is mainly about, you know, the ocean blue edition, the nice weather, roof down, and well, enjoy that AMG performance exhaust. Yes sir, that's how we like it. Alrighty, let's get in. We've also got crystal gray interior trim, which is also specially designed for this car, or at least it is, with this blue stitching, deep ocean blue stitching as well. And you can choose between sort of a silver trim on the interior or a carbon fiber one. We've got carbon fiber today with a really cool plaque here, limited edition, 1 of 150. And it also has a deep ocean blue IWC clock. It also gets the steering wheel from an S63 convertible, which is a bit more luxurious and fits this car, yeah, I think a bit better. So it also has that diamond quilted leather. It's really soft, these seats are really cool, and it gets the air scarf as standard, so you don't have to pay extra for that. And that's a win in my book. Alrighty, what else? Well, that ocean blue stitching really goes everywhere, so it's on the doors as well. on the center console. Yeah, it is really pretty, I think. All right, let's open the roof. There it goes. Hello, sunshine. Alrighty, I'll keep the windows closed for the wind noise, of course. We'll start in comfort, but I'll just give you a little rev with the exhaust valves open. Just wait for these cyclists to pass. I'll give them a heart attack otherwise. Put it in dynamic, Sport Plus. For some crackles. Oh, I love this car. We've actually never driven a C63 convertible before. What am I doing? I'm not going to start in comfort. Let's just start in Sport Plus with everything open. That's just way better. Alrighty. I don't think I can make that turn. Watch out for that pole there, because we just saw someone hit it quite hard. Someone who shouldn't have a driver's license, but still they hit it. Right, we'll go this way. Well, this is really nice. It's a bit busy here, but while I have to wait for these cyclists, as we're in a limited edition, I just want to tell you something about our new watch. It's called the Turismo, limited to 50 pieces, so it's even more rare than this car. And well, it's sort of our merchandise, so we don't do hats and sweaters and mugs and stuff. We do watches. We really like it. So if you're interested, check out ignitioncollection.com for more information and to order the watch if you want to. Alrighty, let us go left. Oh, it's been a while since I drove a C63. And it doesn't really disappoint, of course. It's got some shove. Oh, it does. Give me some crackles. Yes. Whew. So you don't get any extra power or anything like that with this special edition. It's just a cool spec that you get, and well, I really like it. I can imagine that some people don't. Woo, that's loud. That is loud. Oh man, what an awesome car. Why haven't we driven this as a convertible yet? I mean, what were we thinking? Tunnel again. Oh, that's nice. So this review is, as I said, mainly about the weather and this edition of the C63. So I'm just going to drive around, talk to you about how I feel in this car, how it makes me feel, how it, you know, with this weather, I mean, I've never really thought about it, but this C63S with performance exhaust, this convertible might be the one to have. And I never really thought about that, unless you're going to take it to the track, of course. But you know, as a coupe, you don't have any less space here or anything like that. Oh yes. It has a really great muscle car sound, and well, I've never really experienced it this way, because when you drive a coupe, I mean, you get the sound when you open the windows, you get that sound, but it's so much louder now and you really hear all those different sounds. Oh man. I think it's a shame that Mercedes only make 150 of these. They're probably already all sold, I don't know. But, you know, worldwide 150 cars, that's not a lot. I think it's a really cool spec, and I get why you would want something like this, because it's not in your face, it's quite sophisticated, if a C63 could ever be sophisticated. Thank you for standing in the middle of the road. Oh, listen to that. This car also has the AMG Drivers Package, which means the top speed goes from 250 to 280 kilometers an hour. So we'll take it to the Autobahn later on. You can find the Autobahn POV on our channel as well. Oh. I think AutoTopNL should have a trip this spring or summer with a C63 convertible. You know, go to Italy or France or something like that. Oh, this thing is quick. It is. Let me just see if I remember how to do launch control in one of these. Race. Both pedals. Yep, pedal up. Launch control. Had a little trouble with the traction there. But it does sound good. Oh. I think this is what AMG is all about. It's a bit ridiculous, it's really fast, and it's just a lot of fun. And I think that, you know, that sometimes gets lost in the search for crazy lap times. And yeah, I think that AMG still has that crazy factor, that feeling you get that nothing really matters other than giving you a good time and just enjoying people around you. I mean, I think this is the wrong crowd here, because this is mainly an area for cyclists and stuff like that, and they generally don't like us or loud cars. Oh yeah, that bang on the upshift is so freaking, oh, that's so loud and deep and burbly. Excellent. Woo. So the fact that this car has that crystal grey interior, which is really light grey, and that cashmere white Magno exterior paint, it makes this car feel really light and just summery. It feels like summer in a bowl. And you know, I think that I'm not the biggest fan of convertibles myself, other than, you know, convertibles that have a soundtrack like this. But I think that in here, this feels really nice. Also because you have that S-Class steering wheel with that aluminium on it, that light interior, the light outside as well. Yeah, it just makes it feel really airy and springtimey and flowery, if that's a word, I don't know, but you know what I mean. Oh. Yeah, I've decided this is the C63. If you are in doubt between a C63 Coupe and a C63 convertible, I would strongly recommend getting the convertible, because this is just genius. I think we can also go this way. For me personally, I really love the C63 estate, but I think this just took second place. And the fact that they made this so limited also sort of adds to the value of the package, because if they had said, well, okay, from now on, to celebrate our 50-year anniversary, you can get this ocean blue package on any AMG you want, or even worse, on any C-Class you want, then it would sort of ruin the 50th anniversary of AMG as well. But because it is so limited, because you will not see a lot of these cars in this spec, in this color, and with this top, this blue, deep ocean blue top, you know, that does make it special. And that does mean that it's not just another special edition, you know. Oh, I could do this all day, literally all day. Woo. What's happening over here? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this little spring drive in the Mercedes-AMG C63 convertible, C63S convertible, ocean blue edition. One of 150, and of course we drove it. Don't forget, AutoTopNL is the place to go for performance car videos. If you want to check out another video, you can check out this POV review of a GLE 63, and you can also check out this playlist of POV reviews. We've made a lot over the past year or year and a half, 2 years, so check that out if you're interested. For now, I'm going to enjoy it a little bit more, and see you at the next one. Bye guys.